During a visit to Jako in Fonyi Bintam, the Fatu network met Mai Jiba, an elderly woman whose already dilapidated house was destroyed by a windstorm 2 months ago, and she is now in dire need of shelter and food. Mai has not received any assistance since the incident. Her only son embarked on an irregular migration route to Italy years ago and has not been found. Her house was severely damaged by the windstorm and she has sought shelter in the nearby neighborhoods. The old woman's unsustainable roasted groundnut business has left her isolated and discriminated, and she is eagerly waiting assistance. The Gambia has been hit by windstorm for the past 2 years. The government has provided relief aid and renovated some homes for rural communities affected by disasters, but more needs to be done for the whole country. Unfortunately, until the Fatu network visited her, my predicament had not received any attention. Support can significantly improve her durable condition and contribute to her well-being and comfort. She is asking the public and philanthropists to help her return home. Anyone wishing to support her can reach out to the Fatu Network on 380-2391 or 274-3275.